I'm Brian Kabatek of Kabatek LLP. I've spent over 30 years representing people who are victims, either personal injuries, property damage, or a combination as a result of mass disasters like fires and floods. There are at least 5 things you should look for in making a determination about whether or not the law firm you're talking to knows what they're doing. So, item number 1, experience. Are you talking to a lawyer or a law firm who has extensive experience in this area, representing people who've been victimized or have been injured or damaged as a result of a mass disaster? Or are you talking to somebody who's Johnny-come-lately, somebody who's just recently decided that this would be a great area to explore and to get clients and represent people? The second thing you should look out for is whether or not you're going to be represented on an individual basis or is this a class case. One of the most important distinctions that we see today and questions that we see from people is they think it's a class action. They think they're in a class. A class is never the way to go when you've suffered personal damages that can't be compensated like a class, where you need an individual lawyer to represent you and you're just not another face in the crowd. The next thing you should look for is whether or not the law firm has the financial resources to represent you. A case with a total loss of a home could cost as much as $50,000 just to present the case, because you have to hire experts, you have to hire construction experts, you have to hire arborists and people to identify the landscape loss, emotional distress, sometimes personal property experts. Does the firm have the financial resources to spend that kind of money on every single case that they have and that they represent? Number 4, is the firm going to give you white glove service? Are they going to treat you with the respect that you deserve? Or are you truly just another client of theirs that they're just looking to monetize? Get the feel whether or not you're going to get personalized service, or do they have 1,000 clients and you're going to be pushed off on different people in the firm that you don't know exactly what they are? And number 5, is the law firm, either themselves or through their local counsel, connected with the courts? Do the judges know them? Do they respect them? Or are they somebody who rarely appears in court and doesn't have a reputation? Research in picking a firm. If you don't select our firm and you select somebody else, make sure that they've got these credentials and that they fill all 5 of these criteria. Thank you. I'm Brian Kabatek. It's Kabatek LLP. Feel free to go to our website, kbklawyers.com. We'd love your comments or to hear from you if you have questions.